2022 was the year of travel and adventure. This was the year where I traveled across Canada with my family, attended multiple Overland events, explored parts of Oregon, and my closest friends and I continued our annual camping road trip. Come join me as we look back at all my adventures of 2022. Let's go. What's up everybody, Gary here from G from BC, and welcome to the first video of 2023. I was actually gonna film this outside, but we're in BC, so it's raining outside, so we're stuck inside. Anyways, I hope you all had a wonderful winter holiday and New Year spent with your family. I sure did, because I spent it over in the United States with my family that haven't, gone to Christmas holiday with since the pandemic started. So it was awesome spending the time with them throughout the Christmas holidays. Before we look back at all my adventures of 2022, I just want to take the time to thank all of you that's watched my videos, left a like, wrote a comment, and subscribed to the channel. I'm truly grateful for all the support they've given me and the channel since I've started this whole YouTube thing like 3 years ago. And you guys are still enjoying watching my videos, even though I've swayed a little bit away from too much. I've kind of included a little bit more than just off-roading and overlanding. I've included some traveling and a bit more other stuff in the mix. But I'm really glad that you guys are still enjoying the content that I'm producing for you guys. I'm really thankful for the small community we created here on YouTube together, and I hope we can continue growing this year and the years to come. Anyways, without further ado, here's a look back at all my adventures of 2022. We started off the year with some adventures around BC. Since I was a kid, I've always dreamt of visiting different parts of Canada. And that dream came true this year as my family and I drove to Toronto and back during the first 2 weeks of June. Summer of 2022 felt like a blur. I was on the road every week, either attending Overland events, driving across Eastern Oregon, or going to friends' weddings in different provinces.
So far, it feels good.
I'll be back in 2 seconds.
Yeah, margaritas, margaritas.
In the past 2 years, my closest friends and I have gone on a week-long road trip visiting parts of BC. This year, we decided to explore parts of the Canadian Rockies, going from Banff to Jasper. I hope we can continue this annual road trip in years to come.
2.
That'll do it for all my adventures of 2022. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, or you're new to the channel, welcome. And hit that subscribe button and join this little community we have here on YouTube. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome. Actually, before we end the video, go check out these bloopers that happened throughout this whole thing. Yeah. Anyways, I chose the wrong time to film this during like the most busiest. Yo, can you hear me, yo? trying to finish this little segment while trucks are driving, yo. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button and join this small community that we have here. We are the slowest growing YouTube channel on YouTube right now. So if you guys can hit that subscribe button, maybe we'll go faster. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. Goddamn trucks, man. I'm gonna use some of that bloopers though, man. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome, everyone. Jesus. Fart rocket there.